In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the regional political parties have stepped up their demand to restore pre-5th August 2019 position while giving Jammu and Kashmir statehood with Article 370 and 35A. They have emphasized the need to raise the demand in one voice. Member of the Indian Parliament from occupied Jammu and Kashmir and a leader of National Conference, retired Justice Hasnain Masoodi, along with another member of Indian Parliament, Kunwar Danish Ali, while interacting with the media in Srinagar, strongly demanded the withdrawal of the illegal move of 5th August, saying that it did not go well with the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Hasnain Masoodi said that the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A caused further alienation among the people of Jammu and Kashmir. He asked India to fulfill pledges made by its leadership with the people of Jammu and Kashmir and undo all the present and past mistakes in this regard. While giving details of the violent actions in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir post-August 2019, Masoodi said that the move of abrogation has not been in the interest of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. He said over 100 civilians have been killed and villages destroyed since then. He termed these incidents as a conspiracy to intimidate the Kashmiri masses and leadership into submission. Masoodi said Kashmiri leadership cannot endorse Modi government steps in occupied Jammu and Kashmir as people of Kashmir are against the revocation of Kashmir's special status. Although the people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir are facing unprecedented existential crisis as intense political, cultural, administrative and economic assault from fascist Modi government is on to change the demography of occupied land, it's like a fresh air that the political camp Mr. Masoodi belongs to is also talking sense, which is need of the hour. The best thing is that Indian aggression has brought all Kashmiris to a common point from where, if they put their hands together, can bring a change, at least by not only stopping this monster, but might lead to achieve the long-cherished goal of right to self-determination. The suppressed people of occupied territory are eyeing on the political forces of the land and hope they would rise on the occasion by striving with a collective effort to take the nation out of this most critical juncture of its history. The regional parties can force India to take steps of August 5th back only when they unitedly launch a forceful agitation in occupied Jammu and Kashmir against the civilization assault of India that is basically aimed at finishing Kashmiri's identity.